How to draw a water drop. Basic, simple, butter, and perfect. Oh, I love these. These are literally so perfect. The way that they make the details and everything on a water drop. Okay, that's kind of cool. The basic one looks like a teardrop. A simple one looks like an actual water drop. And then the better one? What is that? Is that supposed to be off the floor? I think so. Yeah, that's so cool though. I like the details. Wait, what are they doing though? Oh, they're making it look 3D. Also, when you click the like button, it turns blue like the water drop. That's so cool. And then perfect. Let's see what the perfect one looks like. Wait, what?